Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram filter not working. Well, maybe you're using Instagram, right? And you have a bunch of filters down below. For example, I really like the mint filter, but maybe it's not working for you. So this is how you can fix it. Um, One of the issues that you can have is that Instagram isn't updated. So you should go on the App Store or the Google Play Store and type in Instagram and make sure there's no update option around it. Just open here. If you've done that, there's a few more things you can do. One of which is to log in, log out of Instagram, maybe close it, and reopen it again. If that doesn't work, you want to go on settings, go down and find Instagram. Here it is. And from there, you want to make sure mobile data is turned on. If you're not connected to your Wi-Fi and you don't have mobile connection, maybe the filters won't work for you. Another thing that you can do is go here to general, and from general you want to click on iPhone storage. Then when it loads up, you want to find Instagram and offload the app, which basically clears the temporary storage, and then you can just restart or reinstall it again. I hope this video helps you out. Give me a like if it did. See you next one. Bye.